Hello, my name is Paula Ardilis, and I'm the founder of Bridge for Health. We are a local and global network that's aimed to promote health and well-being for all. And we are really proud to be partners with Prevention of Violence Canada and support the signing of the Charter for a Violence-Free Canada. And the reason being is that we know that preventing violence is one of the key conditions that we need in order to promote health and well-being for our communities. And in my own life, I came to Canada when I was 5 years old during the time of the military dictatorship in Chile. Unfortunately, it was a time of a lot of violence and turmoil in my country where many people were killed and many people were tortured just because they held different beliefs. And many families came to Canada at that time, and we were really searching for a place where we could feel safe and we could belong. And I think that this is one of the fundamental principles of living in Canada that I would like to uphold, and I would love to see a violence-free Canada. And I just urge you to think about what your role is, because violence affects each and every one of us, and we all have a role that we can play, whether it's a small gesture, for example, starting a conversation with somebody about how violence has impacted them, and perhaps, having some compassion for that person in ways that we've never been able to see before. Other people might be really involved in advocacy work and being able to engage community in order to organize themselves against violence. Because ultimately, whether it's happening at a national front, as it did in my country, or whether it's happening in our own homes, it's having profound impacts on our health and well-being. So I aspire to a Canada that is violence free, where people have the opportunity to live in safe communities, and also in safe workplaces and safe schools as well. And so Bridge for Health is really supporting this movement, and we hope that we can all inspire each other to take action and ensure that this country is going to be one that is providing safety for our future generations.